These are the Marantz Model M1 and Model M4 amplifiers. Let's take a look at the installation features, technical spec, and how they fit into a multi-room audio system. The Model M1 is a compact, powerful 2-channel amplifier, providing 100 watts per channel into a single zone. Perfect for most size rooms, it's big performance with minimal footprint. The Model M1 offers a range of versatile connectivity options, designed for seamless integration in any home audio setup. On the rear you'll see high quality binding posts for secure speaker connection, and these can also use banana plugs, along with multiple inputs to support both digital and analog sources. You have a USB-A input for digital source like a USB stick. You've got stereo RCA inputs for analog devices, and the Ethernet port on here is for your network streaming services. The Model M1 features HDMI eARC support, allowing you to connect your TV and experience dramatically improved sound over, say, the TV speakers or a soundbar. In fact, it can even decode Dolby Digital Plus. When it comes to network connectivity, the Model M1 offers wired Ethernet for stable, high-speed internet connection. And if wired isn't available, the Model M1 also has built-in Wi-Fi support, and that's dual band, so 2.4 and 5 gig, 802.11a, B, G, N, and AC for high-quality streaming. The compact design is easy for integration into any existing setup. It could fit in an AV cabinet, it could go inside a cupboard. In fact, you can put two side by side in a rack. For larger, more complex setups, you've got the Model M4. This takes multi-room audio to the next level. You actually got 8 channels of 100 watts, which can be split across 4 independent zones. The M4 is designed to distribute high resolution sound throughout an entire home. In fact, it offers great input flexibility. This time round, you've got 4 USB inputs, allowing you to connect USB drives, and that can work across all of your zones. You've got 4 stereo RCA inputs for your analog inputs, and you have 2 optical inputs, and these will support your TV and Dolby Digital decoding. The M4 actually is completely rack mountable, does come with rack ears in the box, and it does sit at 2U high, so it can be integrated into any system. In fact, you can stack multiple of these, and in a HEOS system, you can have up to 64 zones. If you're concerned about cooling, this does have thermally triggered cooling fans, ensuring stable operation even in high demand setups. In addition to the standard configuration, the Model M4 can be bridged to deliver 200 watts per channel, offering far more power for demanding speakers and a level of flexibility that makes it ideal for both high performance listening rooms and larger whole home audio systems or larger rooms. In fact, we have actually attached this to things like the Bowers & Wilkins 803s that you see behind me there, and you know what, it's absolutely phenomenal. Part of that is due to how the amplification works in here. It's kind of a step up from Class D amplification. There isn't a DAC as such, it actually does the conversion right at the amplification stage. Normally you'd have a DAC which would add some noise, then you've got some EQ which would potentially add some noise as well, and as you go through the chain you keep adding noise, you get to the power amplification stage, and not only is the signal being amplified, but so is the noise that you've added throughout the chain. Because these stay in the digital realm right the way through, all of those processes are done digitally. By the time you get to the power amplification stage, no noise has been added to that signal. In fact, the total harmonic distortion that you get from a digital signal coming in to the output stage is 0.05%, so it's actually negligible. The Model M1 and the M4 are equipped with built-in HEOS technology, providing access to a wide range of popular streaming services. Whether you prefer AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, TIDAL, or Amazon Music, you can enjoy high-quality music across all zones. Using the HEOS app, you can easily manage playback across various rooms. Each zone operates independently, allowing different family members to stream their favourite music simultaneously. Both the Model M1 and Model M4 can integrate seamlessly with additional HEOS speakers or devices, such as Denon and Marantz AV receivers, you've got the Denon home speakers, you've got Denon home soundbars, and by synchronizing all of these together, you can actually have the same music around the house or separate zones around the house, all being operated individually. Instead of using the HEOS app, you have the option of AirPlay 2 or Spotify Connect and stay within those streaming apps. HEOS, and that includes the M1 and the Model M4, is designed to integrate smoothly with popular control systems. That includes Crestron, Control4 and URC. This ensures seamless control across your entire home. At the heart of every Marantz amplifier is a commitment to pure, detailed sound. And the Model M1 and M4 are no exception. Both amplifiers feature Marantz's Musical Digital Filtering, or MMDF, a proprietary technology that preserves the warmth, depth and nuance of your music. MMDF uses advanced oversampling techniques to deliver smooth, analog-like sound, even when you're streaming digital content. Originally developed for Marantz's reference-grade audiophile products, this technology ensures your digital music retains the same rich tonal quality as your favourite analog recordings. Whether you're looking for the compact, high-performance Model M1 for a single room, or the powerful and flexible Model M4 for a comprehensive multi-room audio system, Marantz has engineered these amplifiers with professional installation in mind. With their intuitive design, integration capabilities and robust performance, these are the perfect choice for any home audio setup. The Marantz Model M1 and Model M4 amplifiers are now available. Contact AWE Sales for more information.